Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug your Dyson DC05 from the wall outlet to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the filter compartment on the side of the vacuum. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cover. There are typically 2 screws. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the cover is off, carefully remove the old filter. It may be a bit snug, so gently wiggle it free. Inspect the filter for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If it's too dirty, it's time for a replacement. Remember, maintaining clean filters is crucial for the vacuum's performance. If you don't have a replacement filter on hand, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help you find the right parts for your Dyson DC05. Now take your new filter and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the screws are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the plastic. Next, we will move on to changing the power cord. Start by locating the power cord entry point at the back of the vacuum. Use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the cover that protects the cord connection. This may require some gentle force, so proceed with caution. Once the cover is off, you will see the power cord connected to the internal wiring. Carefully disconnect the old power cord by unscrewing the terminal screws. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new cord. If you're unsure about handling electrical components, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our technicians can perform this service for you, ensuring everything is done safely and correctly. After disconnecting the old cord, take your new power cord and connect it to the same terminals. Make sure the connections are secure and that there are no exposed wires. Once connected, replace the cover and secure it with the screws. Finally, plug your Dyson DC05 back into the outlet and test it to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you with any further maintenance needs. In summary, changing the filters and power cord on your Dyson DC05 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your vacuum. If you prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember, no calls, no travel, just convenient service at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.